Hi, in this video today I will guide you how to setting up a Windows virtual machine by using Virtualbox tool. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, firstly I open the browser and access to virtualbox.org website to download the Virtualbox software. Okay, and here you go to the download page. And click on Windows host to download the file. Okay, and here click on this one to install it on the Windows PC. Next. Yes, click on it button here. Install. Okay, click on install button. Finish. You click on finish button to finish the installation and open the software. Yeah. Okay, so this is the software you have just installed on the Windows PC. And now I will guide you how to install the Windows 7 at a virtual machine on this PC. Okay. And here, this tool we have some the menu. Okay. So top menu, the left menu, and the main quick action. Okay. And in order to install the Windows 7 on at a virtual machine on this PC, we have to prepare a ISO file here. So this is the ISO file of the Windows 7. Cool. I copy this part of this file. And back to the software, you click on new button here, and you enter any name for this creation of virtual machine. I will name it Windows 7. Okay. And you select the machine folder to save the file and any log of activity on the Windows drive. Okay. I will create new folder in my VMware. Okay. Select this folder. And the type I will select my Microsoft Windows. You can also able to install the Linux, Solaris, and another type of Windows, a type of operating system, and it is support for Windows, a lot of version Windows. Okay, and here I will select the Windows 7 64-bit for installation. Click on next here. So here, this step I have to select the memory for this server. Yeah. So here by default, it based on my memory of this PC, so it recommends some of the memory size. For this one is around 2 GB. And here you can adjust the new size for the memory. Okay. And here I will assign the 7 GB for this PC. So here you select the hard disk and recommend I will select the recommend as default and create a virtual hard disk, and hard disk file type, it should be Virtualbox disk image. Okay, so here storage or physical hard disk, and I will select the dynamic allocated here. You can see the explanation here. Okay, cool. Next button, and here you select the file location and size. Yeah. I will leave it edit there for now. Click on create button here to create our virtual machine here. So here you can see now the virtual machine has been created. Here on the left menu we have a server name, and on the main menu here we have some the server information, general, system, display, storage, audio, network, USB, set folder, description, blah blah here. Okay, click on setting button here. You can change the setting for the server for the virtual machine. Yeah, you can change the name, the advanced decryption, encryption system. Yeah, change the RAM, CPU, and processor. Yes, I will increase this one to 2 CPU and display. Okay. So keep keep other one by default. Okay, cool. So now here is a display. You can click on any tab here to collapse and expand the information. Okay, and here the start button, we have normal start. You can also right click on the server name, the machine name on the left menu, and select start and normal start to start the virtual machine. Okay, it is starting the virtual machine, and here select startup this. Okay, and here we have to select the ISO file for the first installation of the Windows on the Windows PC. Okay, select the ISO file for the Windows. Here, click on start the button. You make it bigger. Okay, close this message. Yeah, so here we have a view in full mode screen. You click on switch button here to make it in full mode. You can also press the host and F key on the keyboard. The host name here should be the control in the right hand on the keyboard. Okay, so here you have select the information for Windows 7 installation. Install now. Yes. And next step, you have to select the operating system version you want to be installed on the Windows PC. And of course, depending on the ISO file you are using to install the Windows 7, so maybe you cannot see this menu in the Windows version. And this ISO file here I'm using is all-in-one. It contains a lot of the version of Windows 7. The Home, Ultimate, Enterprise, blah blah, a lot of version. Okay, next button. And here click on custom. Yeah, next. And wait for the installation is done. First step, it will copy the file, getting file ready for installation feature, installation update, and the last one is finish thing up. Okay. And depending on the power of the strong of the Windows Absorb server and VMware, so the installation will take longer or shorter. Here, so here it going to the last step. It completing the installation of this installation. Here, so setting up seems have been finished. It's going to finish, and it is restart the Windows PC for apply some the change. Okay, it is restart. Okay, so here this step you have to enter some the username for this Windows PC. Okay, and the password I will leave it by blank. You can skip, enter the product key, and you can do it later on. Yeah, you can change the time zone for the virtual machine. Like, and here select the computer current location. Okay, so here we have the finished installation the Windows 7, and you can see here we have the default desktop of the Windows has been displayed here. Okay, you can change the resolution for the window. Oh, it seems not good. I will revert it back. Apply button. Auto detect. Okay. Okay. Apply. It seems better. Okay. Here I will test the network on this PC by downloading the Chrome and install it on the virtual machine. Okay, click on download Chrome button here, accept and install. It is installing Chrome on this PC. Okay, and the Chrome browser has been working successfully. We have no issue now. I will try to access into some of the website online, in Pinterest, for example. Oh, so here we need to have an account to access the Pinterest. Okay, but it looks good for now. And here I will try to open the google.com website for testing purpose. Okay, the Google has been opened up. It seems the Windows server has been installed successfully, and for now you can use some of the networking and browser to open the website or something like that. Okay, thank you for watching and bye bye. See you later.